In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to activate Ultra Mobile. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in the Ultra Mobile official portal over here. And if you want to access this portal, come to your Chrome browser and type in the following. Type in web-retailer-portal.ultramobile.com. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. So the problem is that to access Ultra Mobile, you'll have to create an account with Ultra Mobile. So for my case, I don't have an account with Ultra Mobile, but if you have an account with Ultra Mobile, you can come and then log in over here, put in your username, and then put in your password over here, and then just sign in and access Ultra Mobile. Okay, so after signing in and accessing Ultra Mobile, this is how it looks like. Okay, you just come to the activation page and then activate your Ultra SIM. Okay, as you can see, you just need to put in your brand over here and then select your model and then input your email number over here. Okay, and then the last step is to come over here and select the package of your choice depending on the money that you have. For this case, I'll select around 5 GB to 4 GB. Okay, and this is LTE unlimited and it only costs $49. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.